Welcome back for another tutorial video, but this time we will learning other lessons, implicit differentiation. If you have not watched some of our previous lessons, you may watch it through the link in the description below, or you can visit our channel and go to the playlist and have the entire lessons to be played. And now let us proceed to the lesson for this video. First, what is implicit differentiation? The majority of differentiation problems in calculus involves functions of y written explicitly as functions of the independent variable x. This means that we can write the function in the form of y equals to f of x. For such a function, we can define or find the derivative directly. For example, if y equals to 4x raised to 5 plus cosine of 2x minus 7, then the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx, or simply y prime is equals to 20x to the fourth minus 2 sine 2x minus 7. However, some functions y are written implicitly as functions of x. This means that the expression is not given directly in the form of y equals to f of x. We have seen that functions are not always given in the form of y equals to f of x, but in more complicated form that makes it difficult or impossible to express y explicitly in terms of x. Such functions are called implicit functions, and y is said to be defined implicitly. In this lesson, we explain how this can be differentiated using a method called implicit differentiation. Now, let's proceed to the examples. Example number 1. Find the y prime given that the function of x cubed y to the fifth plus 3x minus 8 y cubed equals to 1. So, for the solution, differentiate both sides with respect to x and apply appropriate differentiation rules. And we have the differentiation rules, we can use the product rule. Now, let us evaluate the function. First step, x cubed times the 5y to the fourth y prime plus y to the fifth times 3x squared plus 3x minus 24y squared y prime equals to 0. Next, 5x cubed y to the fourth y prime minus 24y squared y prime is equals to negative 3 minus 3x squared y to the fifth. And we need to group all the y prime and putting it into the left side of the equation. Now we have 5x cubed y to the fourth minus 24y squared times y prime is equals to negative 3 minus 3x squared y to the fifth. And for the final answer, we have y prime is equals to negative 3 plus 3x squared y to the fifth all over 5x cubed y to the fourth minus 24y squared. Okay, example number 2, we have find the y prime given that y cubed plus 4y squared plus 3x squared y plus 10 equals to 0. And for the solution, remembering, differentiate both sides with respect to x and apply appropriate differentiation rules. So we have now 3y squared y prime plus 8y y prime plus 3x squared y prime plus 6xy equals to 0. And we need to group all the y prime, and we have 3y squared plus 8y plus 3x squared y prime equals to negative 6xy. And for the final answer, we have y prime equals to negative 6xy all over 3y squared plus 8y plus 3x squared. Now for our last example for this video, we have find y prime given that the x plus y cubed equals to e to the x y to the fourth. Solution. Differentiate both sides with respect to x and apply appropriate differentiation rules. Now we differentiate the both sides of the equation. Now we have 1 plus 3y squared y prime is equals to x y to the fourth times e x y to the fourth. Now we have 1 plus 3y squared y prime equals to 4x y to y cubed y prime plus y to the fourth times e to the x y to the fourth. And grouping all the y prime, we have 3y squared minus 4xy cubed e to the x y to the fourth times y prime equals to negative 1 plus y to the fourth e to the x y to the fourth. And for the final answer, we have y prime equals to negative 1 plus y to the fourth times e to the x y to the fourth all over 3y squared minus 4xy cubed times e to the x y to the fourth. Practice time. You will be given enough time to solve each problems, or you can simply pause the video and afterwards, it will reveal the answer at the end of the video. Good luck! And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lastly, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be updated for the latest video to be uploaded. Bye. See you on the next video.